Hey, sixth graders, here's your help video for 10.7.2. We are examining outliers, data points that don't fit in with the other ones. They just stick out, and how they affect the median and the mean. In this first problem, 5 students recorded the distance in miles they traveled to visit their relatives over spring break. So here are the distances that they traveled. Direction number 1, plot the data on the number line. So here we go. We have 90. 90 is about there. It's our first one. 90. Then there's 100. Check. Check. There's 75. Check. There's 60. Right about there. And there's 185. Whoa. 185 is way over here. This number right there is an outlier. Do you see how far away it is from the other 4 that are kind of squished together? We are going to find the median and the mean of these 5 data points. So we need to put them in order, but in really good news, they're pretty much in order right now, just looking at the dots from the number line. So the first number is 60. Then it's 75, then it was 90, then it was 100, and then the last one, 185. And then I will put in my commas, grab a different color, there you go, comma, 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 comma. So if we're going to find the median, remember we cross them out in 2s, so we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Our median is 90. Notice we have 2 crossed out on the left and 2 crossed out on the right. So the median is 90 miles. And for the mean, we're going to add those numbers together. 60 plus 75 plus 90 plus 100 plus 185 equals, go 60 plus 75 plus 90 plus 100 plus 185 is 510. So for the mean, that equals 510 divided by how many data points there were. I'll just do a quick double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember it said 5 students divided by 5. So the mean is 102. The mean is 102 miles. You should circle these so we don't lose them. The median is 90 and the mean is 102 miles. For the bottom, it says remove the outlier, then recalculate the median and the mean. So I'm showing you which one is the outlier. It's 185, and we also figured that out. So we're going to plot them again. So I'll put 2 of them on and you'll need to finish. So we need 90, it's about there, and 100, which is about here. You need to put the other 2 on, and then you need to find the median again. But remember that this is going to be an even number of points because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will need to add the 2 middle numbers and divide by 2. I'm going to quickly write that down for you though, just in case you forgot. So there's going to be 60, 75, 90, and 100. Quick double check that those are right. Yes. So when you cross out beginning and end, this is as far as you can go. Cross out, cross out. You need to find the middle number of these 2. Do you remember how to do that? Add them up and divide by 2. That number will be the median, the new median. Then you will need to find the mean. Don't forget to divide by 4 because there's 4 data points. Down on the bottom, it asks you how the effect of removing the outlier. So did the mean increase? So that's the median. Did the median increase or decrease? And then tell me how much. Did the mean increase or decrease? And then how much? Then use these 2 numbers to see which one has the greater difference. Which one was affected more, the median or the mean? On page 2, this time we're going to take away a different outlier. Instead of the biggest number, we're going to take away the smallest number and see how that affects the median and the mean. Make sure you check in with a friend or you check in with me, Mrs. Toivola, if you need help.